If you got a little boyfriend and you want to have a little cute, little nice little picnic, little getaway, little privacy in nature, there's a perfect spot right here. No sun hitting y'all directly either, so let's get it on. Let's get it on. Y'all, welcome back to the channel. Oh, my shoulder. And today, as you can see, we in a mother loving garden. Let me take the mask down. But we're in a garden today, y'all, and the sun is hitting me just right, as she should. But yeah, we're at Andromeda Botanical Gardens today. I think that's the name. And we just finna be one with nature. Like, we just finna be beautiful with nature. Like, I'm already like shining. Like shining. But anyway, let's go explore this garden. I'm standing on this little bridge right here, giving me photo shoot vibes. So I wore this little nice little body contrast today. So we finna try to get some pictures in here as well. But anyway, subscribe if you haven't subscribed us yet. Yeah, I got my pineapple juice. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed us yet, and let's explore Andromeda. Let's go on a little adventure in this cute little garden. Yeah, do you like the fit though? I'm wearing flip-flops, but don't mind, it's kind of slippery when you wet out here and it was raining, so we gotta dress the part even though we still look like a queen. Nice little bridge area. Catch the angles, please. Anyway, these trees make me feel like a dwarf. Y'all ever watched Honey Who Shrunk the Kids? And when the kids got small, it was like everything was so big to them. That's how I feel right now. Like up in here, like literally. And it sounds like something is. Ooh, somebody has a picnic planned down here. Don't mean to be a party. What do you call it? A picnic crasher. But it's nice. Very pretty. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all could see it properly. So it's so cute. It's saying happy birthday. Ooh. Nice. Looks like there's gonna be a few people over there as well. The yellow is giving what it's supposed to give in the middle of the green. Ooh. I like how they have whatever these leaves are at the top. You know how in the cartoons you see them and the frogs be sitting on them? I wonder if frogs could actually sit on them in real life. I wonder. Just wondering. Let me know. Let me know if you know. I just saw the most beautiful tree I've ever seen in my entire life. And it's right there sitting behind me, y'all. The camera is not doing it any justice. I'm not gonna lie. I wonder what type of tree it is. It is gorgeous. Like, what are these things? Are they roots going up in the air or what? What is it? Like, on a serious note, she's gorgeous. I'm gonna turn the camera around for y'all one more time because sis, if in the tree world there should be models, this tree is a model. She's a supermodel. It's like Naomi Campbell type of vibe. As promised, we're finna view her because I don't know what her name is yet. I'm gonna see if we could find her name out right now. Okay, there's a Ficus is a Ficus elastica, or you could call it a very I'll put them on the screen if I remember. So So if y'all need a plant to grow real fast, get something like this. Like, I remember passing my neighbor's yard one time and we just broke off piece of the flowers. You know, you broke off piece of flowers more, you just broke off piece and say boom. You just have it in your hand while you walk. You just go, just shake it, shake it, shake it. So anyway, ooh, yo, check her out behind me. Like that pond is like covered in lilies or whatever is in it. It's so pretty, so pretty. But anyway, you're able to break off piece, but when we reach home, I just feel a vibe, so just put it in the ground. Put it in the ground, and the flowers catch. The flowers catch so easy. I don't know what it be though. I don't know, but most Caribbean homes would have it. Like you'd see it in at least one neighborhood. You'd see this right here. Do not leave. Oh my god, look at the fishies. Oh my. Oh my god, look at the fishies. But this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Oh my, this is pretty, to say the least. Yeah, and the fishies in there just chilling around. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm so tired at this point. Like, we just walked from down there up to here. I'm out of breath. Even because we have to walk all the way around, so like it's like a slope. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sweating. My little outfit is getting all loose on me now. You know, I'm hungry too, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But it's pretty. Right here is a nice little location for, you know, you and your boo couple up. It's kind of lonely out here. Nobody's really here today. It's a Sunday. Nobody's here, but if you got a little boyfriend and you want to have a little cute, little nice little picnic, little getaway, little privacy in nature, this is a perfect spot right here. No sun hitting y'all directly either, so let's get it on. Let's get it on. I'm scared as hell, but we're doing this for the vlog. Ooh. Oh yeah, I see the bees. Come on. We saw bees. What's this? A beehive is around the corner, y'all. I ain't finna get stung. Not for the vlog. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone. With heart. How much you listen. And you listen. And you listen. They have a gift shop section as well, y'all. Very nice sofas, a lot of souvenirs in here, paintings and all of that. So yeah, very pretty. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to leave Andromeda now. We're gonna take this path. Garden, very beautiful. If you want fresh air and all of that nice little stuff, greenery, a nice little picnic destination, a nice little birthday, a nice little couple one-on-one type of vibe destination as well. So yeah, if you like nature, if you're a nature lover, feel free to come here. That was a bees or a fly in my ear just now. But yeah, we're leaving Andromeda right now. It was a good time. For locals, it's free to come in, but you just give a donation at the gate. But apart from that, it was lovely. Bye.